In this problem, you will graph an ellipse. What is the graph of 9 times x squared plus 16 times y squared equals 144? What are its lines of symmetry? What are the domain and range? Make a table of values. What values should you substitute for x? Substitute both positive and negative values for x. Solve the equation for y, and then substitute each x value into that equation. Substitute -4 for x. When x equals -4, y equals 0. Substitute -3 for x. When x equals -3, y equals positive and -2. Continue to substitute the x values into the equation to find the corresponding y values. Now, use the coordinates from the table to plot points. Then, connect the points with a smooth curve. The graph is an ellipse. The center is at the origin. The ellipse has 2 lines of symmetry, the x-axis and the y-axis. The domain is the set of real numbers x between -4 and 4 inclusive. The range is the set of real numbers y between -3 and 3 inclusive.